Yeah, that looks a lot better. I don't know why it wasn't doing that earlier. Yeah, there it goes. That's odd. Where'd my little spring go? So I'm just going to put the spring in there. And remember that spring lines up with that groove. Go on. And then twist it. I don't know. Clockwise. Yes. Depends on which hand you're using. But yeah, I'm gonna do it 2 times or 3 times. That's 2. Come on, number 3. Boom. Just look at that tension. It's like a switchblade. I love it. Alright. So that's clicked into its tab. I don't know if you can see that. Yep. Now, we take our little Phillips screwdriver, screw that back into place. Ah, man. Or maybe this is the eBay one. The one that the musclehead in China screwed down. Boom. Loving it. Alright, now time for the little motherboard and the battery. So this should come apart. Switch back to my flathead. Shimmy it open. Boom. Won't be needing that. Actually, let's see if I could just change the buttons. Not even gonna bother. There's a little circuit board, motherboard, whatever you want to call it. Here's my battery. Pop it out of place. Okay. Old stuff. Let's see, now what do they want us to do with this panic button? That's what the original one looks like. So, guess it just pops into place. Yeah. Let's hope that works. Seems pretty rigid, but okay. There's a new one. It was right here. So battery, positive side down. Nope. Or yes. Alright, so you got the one button for the panic. Probably be better if I put this in the softer part. Just like that. And there's a little grooved part right there, so it kind of shows you the orientation of how it's supposed to be placed in it. Alright. Should just pop into place, I believe. Of course, you don't want to cooperate. Just need to muscle it. Like it. Alright, let's open up my switchblade. Now I should just slide back into place. Boom. Snaps right in. Where's my little logo? My little Pontiac logo. I'm probably going to change because I damaged it from all the shimmying that I was doing. Let's see if I could line this up perfect. It's too crooked. I guess that looks good. Just press it into place. Hopefully I don't have to take that apart anytime soon. There you have it. Our eBay switchblade key fob housing replacement. Yeah. Thanks, guys.